Hello students, today I will guide you about how to create WordPress website. To create WordPress website, we required first localhost because to execute WordPress website to run it on web browser, we have to keep our WordPress folder, WordPress directory inside root, and that root directory it is possible through localhost. So now let's explore. I have already downloaded WordPress and XAMPP both. Now, let me explain you how to download. So just do Google, download XAMPP, and here very first link it is with Apache. Just click on it. Here you will get options for Windows. If you want to run XAMPP in browser, it is also possible. Linux, then various different operating system versions available. Just download it from here. If you want to download WordPress, then similarly just to Google WordPress download. Here it is link for WordPress CRM, wordpress.org download. Then here latest version is available. Download WordPress 6.9. Just click on it and download will start automatically. I have this XAMPP setup file and one more it is WordPress. As you can see here, WordPress is in compressed format. So just extract it. I have already extracted also. Just click on extract all. By right clicking on the same folder, we will have this option. You just extract, then now it is available here. What is next step? So our next step it is we will start XAMPP server. Just click on start, then type XAMPP. Open or preferable way it is run as administrator. It is already running in my system. Now this is complete GUI for control panel of the XAMPP. Here we will use two different features. First it is Apache and MySQL. So start Apache. Once it will start properly, this option will change. Now stop is visible here. See. Second is MySQL. Let us start. It is also running. Port number is 3306 by default. Other than Apache MySQL, let me explain two more important options which we will use from this control panel. See here in front of MySQL, one option is admin. If you will click on it, then admin panel will open. See the URL. It is localhost phpMyAdmin. And one more thing it is Explorer. If you will click here on Explorer, it will redirect us on XAMPP directory. See where I installed XAMPP. I have installed XAMPP in D drive. This drive option, it is during the installation stage. So if you are selecting this drive, I have changed drive D. So for what I did, first I have created this XAMPP folder by my own in D drive. Then I have selected this path during installation. If you are installing in C drive directly, then C:/XAMPP by default will be available there. I hope you are now cleared with these steps. Here, once you clicked here on Explorer, then we redirected here. Then go to htdocs. This is root directory for website. So what is your task? That WordPress folder you have to keep here in this one. Now we were here in phpMyAdmin. I just clicked here on admin in front of MySQL. Now admin panel is opened. If you want to create WordPress website, definitely database connection will be there. So first step, it is better to create one blank database. Go with the same. Just click here on new and give here any database name. Okay. Now I want to create a website for your class. Let's say your class is B.Tech Cyber and I'm teaching web programming. Okay. So I'm writing there web PG. This is my database name, web PG. Just click on create. Your database is created. Where is web PG? It is available here, web PG. You need to remember this database name because it will be useful during configuration of WordPress website. Now, first here we have this setup. As we have extracted this WordPress folder, I have this one. What I'm doing, I'm just copying this WordPress folder and we will paste here in htdocs. Just paste it here. Successfully, I kept this WordPress folder here in htdocs. Now it is time to rename this folder. Right now this folder name is WordPress only. I am renaming this folder with web programming. You just check this name properly, web programming. Just press enter. Done. Now we have to link this directory with database which we have created here, web PG, right? How to link it with database? So I'm just clicking on new tab. Okay, now right here localhost, then give your folder name. My folder name is web programming. That's it. Press enter. Select English US. It is just for language. Click on continue. Now in next stage we require this all listed details. See, welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know the following items: database name, database user, database password, database host, and table prefix. If you want to run more than one WordPress in single database. So in single database, if you want to run more than one WordPress, in that case, we will change this table prefix. So you can identify which database it is. That's why, nothing else. Else you can keep it as it is. Let's click on let's go. Now database name. What is database name? We have given database name. It is WebPG. So give same name. Now it is asking username. What is username? Your database username. Our database username for XAMPP server by default username is root and we don't have any password. Database host. Here in our case it is localhost only. If you are using any other port, then you have to specify your port, but we are using by default port. So it is normal localhost. Prefix, right now it is WP. So I am keeping as it is because our website also web programming WP it is good. I don't want to change it. As if you want to change, you can. Just click on submit. See, sometimes you will get this type of message here. When I have created my first website, at that time I was having only option to run the installation. but this time it is creating some error, unable to write wp config php. So you can create wp config file manually and paste the following codes. Wp hyphen config. This file we need to create, and code is already given here. We can do one thing. Let us go here in web programming. Here we have so many php files available, right? You do one thing. You can do one thing. Just make a replica of any file and keep that code. What I'm doing, same thing. See, I just copied this last file because this is php file, and give name wp config. Okay. Now I will open this file. In this file, first I'm selecting all and deleting this code. We have code given here. So just select this code by pressing Ctrl A, right click, copy, or do Ctrl C, paste here, save it, Ctrl S. This work is done. Make sure about file name wp hyphen config. Let us check one more time, wp hyphen config.php. Yes, it is correct. Click on run installation. Now it is asking site details. I am writing here course names. I want to create this website for web programming course. Web programming. Username. See here it is not related to that database. This username password, it will be for our website management. I can say admin role ID password we are generating from here only. In future, if you want to update your website, so for this you will be requiring this ID password. I'm giving username admin and password, it is your choice. By default given here, I'm deleting, giving new password. Now your email ID, I'm selecting my email ID. You will need this password to log in. Please store it in secure location. See, it is saying, and password is medium. It is okay. And I will not prefer this option search engine visibility, because it is, if you want to select this one, what is the use? See, discourage search engines from indexing this site. No, we will not select this one, and directly click on install WordPress. Before entering ID and password, this is username, password, please do remember, it is useful. It is browser always will ask, so better to save it. Click here on login. uh, Remember me. We are login on this portal first time, so it will take around 20-30 seconds, otherwise it will be very fast. See, now this is admin portal of my website web programming. I can say this is a primary user or portal, which is admin. If you want to go your website, click here on web programming, visit site. See, by pressing Ctrl key, you can open it in new tab. This is basic website. Now it is your time to create different posts, add media files, add new pages. From appearance, you can change theme in this website, plugins. So by using this feature, you can install various plugins. Users actually it is to give different role. As I said, this is admin user. If you want to add their moderator or editor, any other users, you can create it from here. But right now, in our case, it is not useful because we have this website on localhost only. Now, Let me explain little bit about theme. From here you can add theme. I'll show you few important portals from where you can get good themes with dummy data also. So just Acme themes for WordPress. You just type to Google. Open this one. It will have various types of themes including free, paid, all. See, browse all themes and click on free. You will get. So now you have to explore all the features and give your best. Try to create one good based website. Now I have used one theme from this portal only. This is education base. Let me show you localhost UITKU. This website, see template, this template with dummy data. I have used that all details, images, post, pages, everything you need to import. Stages, various steps already given there under documentation. You just need to do one thing. You download that theme first. Before that, you can explore it by using this live preview feature. Then click on documentation. From the documentation, you will get all the ideas how to install this theme, how to import all data which is available with this theme. That is important because of if you will install any theme from this website, you will not get that GUI directly because sometimes you will get not a perfect look because of dummy data. Let's wait for 30-40 seconds. See, it is opened now. It is same like the template. You can check here URL, which is local one, localhost UIT underscore KU. So I have used that theme here in my website. So now you explore all the features given there properly. It is your time to work on it. Let me open that website which created right now. See, if you are create opening, so just write here your local host, then the directory name. Again, you just click here and just go to dashboard. Directly admin panel will open. As we have already clicked on option, keep me login, remember me. That's it about WordPress website installation. Now it is your time to create your own website and give your best. Thank you.